Silk chiffon laces ties are all over my body. I disappear and never came back after the sad party. I eloquently told every single one and everybody that my God heals me like I'm nobody. Tired black dog barking behind a picket fence, well fed, no voice at the expense of someone who bought it for defense. The good God won't take a chance. I keep it to me, keep it quiet, won't tell nobody. The things you do, the things you say, won't tell nobody. Cause bloody snake, no need the weather, won't tell nobody. So you can turn me into nothing, into nobody. But nothing's safe and nothing's good. Soft bleeding from the fake persona you sold up on your reading. And making me beg for nothing while you're reading. Did you thought that I would always be blinded by your screams? Get into it, get burned by your twisted schemes. But now I know I heart all your dreams. You're above me in a pedestal, an entity that gleams.